With so many highlighters available in the market, do you get confused which one is the right choice for you? Well, I'm going to help you pick the right shade of highlighter for you today. Hi guys, my name is Muskan Hingorani and I'm a professional makeup artist, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about highlighters. Okay, so basically what are highlighters? Highlighters are used to bring glow to your face. Okay, so basically what I have applied right here is called an highlighter. It's applied on your cheekbones, on your inner corners, on your cupid's bow to bring your face forward. Okay, so it helps you bring your best features forward and it highlights your face. Okay, and it helps you bring glow to your face. Okay, so that's what basically highlighters are used for. There are cream and powder, both types of highlighters available in the market. But today I'm going to be talking about the highlighter shades today and not the formulas of them. I have made a separate video on the formulas, you can check it out right here. But today I'm going to be talking about highlighter shades. There are so many skin tones and everyone needs to have a highlighter of their own, right? So for different skin tones, different shades of highlighters will suit, right? So that's why I'm going to help you decide which shade will suit you in no matter what shade category you are. Okay, so what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Also, I just wanted to quickly mention that there will be pictures of different people coming on the screen as I mentioned the shades. These pictures are of my clients, models and students, basically anyone I've done makeup on, so that you'll get a better idea of how the highlighter shade looks once it is on the face. Okay, so you'll get a better idea of that, and that's why I'm going to be putting the picture. So let's start with the lighter shade of skin tones first. Okay, so the highlighters that will suit you are white gold, champagne and light pink. Okay, so these are the lighter shades of the highlighter spectrum and they will look the best on you because you're of a lighter shade of skin tone. Okay, so it will look nice from light to light medium. Okay, so like light leaning towards medium, like me. I'm not a complete medium, but I'm not totally light either. I'm somewhere in the middle, right? So for shades like me and lighter than me. Okay, so yeah, champagne I think personally is the best choice for you all, and mostly people wear champagne only. Okay, light pink and white gold are very are rare choices, I can say. Mostly people prefer champagne, and here is what champagne shade looks like. Okay, I hope you can see that. It's a huge pan, I hope you can see that. Okay, so yeah, this is what champagne shade looks like. This is the one I'm wearing right now. Okay, this will look the best on you. Okay, so champagne is basically a mix of white and gold. So basically you can see it looks quite whitish in the pan, but on the skin it looks more golden, as you can see that, right? So yeah, white gold is also similar to champagne, but champagne is a more better mix. Okay, I don't know how else to explain this. You will see once you see them in person, you'll get to know the difference what I'm talking about. Okay, so yeah, these will look the best on lighter skin tones. So this is what white gold looks like. Okay, I hope you can see the difference. Okay, it also has a hint of gold, but not as much as champagne. Okay, champagne has more of gold to it and white gold has little gold to it, white more in proportion to it. Okay, champagne is like the perfect mix of golden and white, and it looks absolutely spectacular once on the skin. I would highly suggest you try out at least a champagne highlighter because it looks absolutely natural on you as well as so pretty. Now coming on to medium skin tones. For medium skin tones, the best shade of highlighters is golden. Okay, so this is what I mean by a golden shade. Okay, so this shade is from Colourpop. It's called Wisp, and it will look absolutely fantastic on medium skin tones. Okay, also on light medium skin tones like mine. Okay, so this highlighter is one of my absolute favorites because it's a shade which is universally flattering. It will suit all three, like lighter skin, not very light skin tones, but like light medium and deeper skin tones, all of them. It is one of my absolute favorites. Okay, so this shade golden, this is the medium golden. It's not very gold, it's not very light. Okay, it's like the perfect medium gold. It looks so pretty on medium skin tones. Okay, now the next shade of highlighter, this is a little uncommon one. Okay, So for medium skin tones, don't go for light pink, as I said, for lighter skin tones. For medium skin tones, you can go for peach highlighters. Okay, now peach is not a shade very commonly found in highlighters, but there will be hints of it found in very few of them. Okay, just like this one. So just like this one is from Wet n Wild. It's called Precious Petals. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, it has a little bit of peach hints to it. You can see it more when it's on the skin than on the pan. Okay, but it also looks very, very pretty. It will suit medium to even deeper skin tones, and I've applied it on deeper skin tones too. This shade is also a great choice for medium skin tones, but it suits the best on medium skin tones. Okay, so yeah, golden and peachy golden will suit you the best. Also for medium skin tones, you can also apply champagne highlighters, but make sure it's a more golden champagne. Okay, it's not a very whitish champagne, it has more gold to it. Okay, so make sure it just has that, and you can rock a champagne highlighter. Okay, moving on to our dusky beauties. Okay, so if you are of a darker complexion, then a golden highlighter, like a pure golden highlighter, something like this one. Okay, I hope you can see it. Okay, so yeah, this shade of highlighter will look at this. Your skin is chocolatey brown, golden will go on it like a dream. Okay, it looks so good. I've used it on so many and it looks so pretty. And even you can go for golden ones like the ones I showed for medium skin tones. So yeah, for you, as golden as pretty. Okay, so you can even use a golden eyeshadow for that matter. Golden will look absolutely wonderful on deeper skin tones. That is my suggestion for you. Okay, I wanted to lastly just tell you the difference so you can see it visually. Okay, so this champagne is for lighter skin tones. This circular one is golden, medium golden one is for medium skin tones, and this golden like real golden is for deeper skin tones. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to show you all of three side by side so you can have a better idea of what I mean by that. So if you go in store, you can have a better idea of what you are looking at. Okay, so yeah, lighter, medium, deep, remember that. Okay, now it's time for bonus tip. Okay, so if you are a regular watcher of my channel, you would know that I give bonus tip at the end of each video, and today I have not one but two bonus tips for you all. Okay, so yeah, the first bonus tip is that you can use any of the eyeshadows as your highlighter. Okay, basically if you own a eyeshadow, you own a highlighter. You can use any of your eyeshadows just the way you would use a highlighter. Just make sure that the pan is big enough so that your brush will actually fit and you can dig in and you can apply it as highlighter. I have actually shown you how this works in a video of mine. I'll just link it here and you can go ahead and watch it. So yeah, you can definitely multi-use them. If you don't own a highlighter but you own an eyeshadow, go ahead, multi-use it as an eyeshadow. As I always say, multi-using is the key to go. Don't have to buy everything, you just need to multi-use everything. Okay, so yeah, that's my first bonus tip for you all today. Now second bonus tip for you all is that don't buy chunky glittery highlighters. Okay, especially if you have any texture or pores on your skin. If you have a very smooth skin, then maybe very glittery highlighters will work out for you. They may not exaggerate anything on your face. And if you have any texture or pores or basically any texture around this area specifically, or acne, just avoid it. Don't buy chunky or glittery highlighters because it will exaggerate everything on your skin. Your pores, your texture, everything will look so much more than it even actually is because glitter will exaggerate that. Okay, so just avoid glittery highlighter at every cost. Make sure to swatch them, like you swatch them on your hands before buying it so that you can see if it has any chunky glitters or not, because many a times you cannot make out on the pan but you can make out on your finger. Okay, so make sure to swatch it before you buy it, and that way you won't be buying chunky ones. The best ones to apply are the smooth buttery ones because they will look the most natural and the most glowing on your face. Okay, I would personally say for everyone, just avoid glittery ones because they do not look pretty. Okay, in my opinion. So yeah, that was all for today. If you like today's video, then make sure to check out my Instagram. I give a lot of makeup tips on reels, in captions, of every of my posts. There is a makeup tip. There are so many tips. In fact, I give so much time on my captions to give you as much makeup knowledge as possible, okay, on my story highlights and my reels too, okay. Make sure to check out my Instagram for your daily dose of makeup tips, okay. And lastly, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed today's video, okay. So yeah, that was all for today. Till next time, bye bye.